Hi, this is James Powell. I do video ranking for many small businesses all across the country. I have a challenge for you. If you are in the carpet cleaning, the locksmith, veterinary, or HVAC industry, I have a challenge for you. If you would go to jjmediaonline.net/mychallenge or click the link around this video, go to that page, watch that. Watch the videos on there, take a look at that, and if you would like me to make you a video and you accept my challenge, I will give you the opportunity to save up to 50% if I cannot rank your business. Go to the page, jjmediaonline.net/mychallenge, and see if you are strong enough to accept my challenge. If I cannot rank your video on the first page of YouTube, I will give you 50% off on your video. Thank you. Go to jjmediaonline.net/mychallenge and accept it. Thank you for watching this video.